Hello everyone, and welcome to this brand new tutorial. In today's session, we're going to install Windows 11 on a MacBook and put its performance to the test. In my last video, I compared 3 different ways to run Windows 11 on a Mac without Boot Camp or USB, and based on your feedback, one method clearly stood out as the winner. So in this video, I'm skipping the comparison and giving you a complete deep dive into that single method, only full step-by-step setup, performance tweaks, and everything you need to get it running smoothly. Also, if you just want to directly run Windows EXE files on your Mac, you can watch this video, where I show a surprising way to do that. And you'll find both video URLs in the description below. Let's jump right in. To begin, launch Safari and search for Windows 11 ARM to locate Microsoft's official download page. From there, download the Windows 11 ARM.so file and prepare to start the installation process. Once the Windows 11 ARM.so file has finished downloading, open UTM and click the option to create a new virtual machine. Open UTM and click the option to create a new virtual machine. From the Operating System section, select Windows. To ensure smooth and stable performance, I'm allocating 8 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores to the virtual machine. Next, we'll add the Windows 11 ARM.so file we downloaded earlier into UTM for the virtual machine to use. I'm setting aside 80 GB of storage and finalizing the remaining configuration settings. Finally, we name our virtual machine and save all the changes we've made. Now, we simply wait for the virtual machine setup process to complete. The virtual machine setup is now finished, and we can boot it up for the very first time. As you can see, the Windows 11 setup screen has appeared and will proceed with the standard installation options. When prompted for a product key, select I don't have a product key. Next, Windows asks which edition we'd like to install. We'll be going with Windows 11 Pro. After accepting the license agreement, we continue with the setup process. Finally, we select the 80 GB storage volume we created earlier and begin installing Windows 11. The Windows installation is now complete, and Windows 11 is finally loading up. At this point, only the final setup steps remain. First, we select our region and choose our preferred keyboard layout. After that, we create a username and password for the system. For security purposes, Windows asks us to set up 3 security questions before finishing the setup process. Windows 11 has now fully loaded, and we're greeted with the UTM Guest Tools window. This tool is essential because it helps the virtual machine run much more smoothly and feel closer to a native system experience. UTM Guest Tools enhances overall performance, improves display support, and significantly boosts the general user experience inside the virtual machine. So we're definitely going to install this before moving forward. After the installation wraps up, we open the terminal in Windows 11 and check the IP address of our virtual machine. We also test the internet connection to confirm everything is functioning correctly. Additionally, we use this command to verify the current Windows 11 version and build information running inside the virtual machine. As you can see, Windows 11 is now operating smoothly on the MacBook through UTM without any significant issues. And that wraps up this tutorial. I truly hope this guide was helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.